Welcome to the Daily Forkast, May 5th, 2021. I'm Angie Lau. Let's get you up to speed from Asia to the world. Dogecoin keeps on biting, up over 50% in the past 24 hours. And just to give you some perspective here, the meme coin's market cap is now higher than Chinese electronics maker Xiaomi and social media giant Snapchat. The move comes as support for Doge opens up on the eTORO and GEMINI exchanges. Meanwhile, here in Asia, Ben CASELIN, head of research at AAX, a digital asset exchange which recently listed Doge, says the coin's trading volume isn't out of the norm, but one trader did cash out on the exchange today in the amount of nearly $1.5 million worth of Doge.
Dogecoin is definitely a norm breacher. And what is driving the demand? I wouldn't say it's anything to do with technicals. I wouldn't say it's anything to do with kind of sound money conversations. This is a community-driven token. It's an anti-establishment token.
All this news as we are just days away from the Doge hype machine Elon Musk's hosting debut on SNL, Saturday Night Live. As for the godfather of them all, taking a look at how Bitcoin traded during Asia hours today, down just under 2% on the day. And in the top 10 for cryptocurrencies, Uniswap V3 upgrade dropping, Uni up 7.5%, and Dogecoin grandparent blockchain Litecoin surging along with its descendant up nearly 17%. And a quick look at the Asian equity markets for you now. KOSPI and ASX 200 in the green today. Turning to South Korea right now, where hearings for the new prime minister kick off tomorrow, and we are already getting a sense of what is to come in the crypto arena. In a written response to questions, Prime Minister nominee Kim Woo-jeom maintains the same level of ambiguity that the Korean government has shown up to this point. On one hand, he wants no further delay in taxing crypto, while on the other, he's not willing to admit that cryptocurrency is actually a currency or a financial asset. So kind of a political contradiction in logic right there. The statement may also spur another controversy here amongst the electorate as it ignores the criticism on taxing crypto investments, hearing no mention of investor protection or regulatory clarification for crypto holders in South Korea either. And finally, this deep dive now into the mining scene and how it's accelerating while the crypto market heats up. Crypto miners continue to chomp at the bit at Chia, and we have a Forecast tour for you right now. Take a look inside Saiji Plaza in Shenzhen. This is one of Asia's biggest markets that sells all sorts of electronics accessories, including crypto mining rigs. A vendor there tells us that Chia mining is the hottest mining project in China right now. Some shops are even out of stock for hard drives bigger than 8 terabytes. If you want one, you'll have to be patient. It's on pre-order only, and you're going to have to wait up to 3 days for the $300 drive. Meanwhile, when it comes to mining, Singapore-based derivatives cryptocurrency exchange BYBIT says, who needs hardware? It's launching a cloud mining service where customers can simply purchase mining contracts. BYBIT says the hashing power or hash rate will come from remote data centers with shared computing power to mine Ether.
Not only are people getting return based on kind of like their ETH mining products, also just from the appreciation of the underlying asset.
Think of cloud mining as a service, and it is interesting that an exchange is creating this as a product for customers to participate in value creation, another adaptation for this emerging decentralized economy. And that's the Daily Forkast. I'm Angie Lau. Until next time.